In today's video, I'm talking all about this really awesome video editing technique referred to as match on action. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and yes, in today's video we're talking all about match on action. Now, match on action refers to this really awesome video editing technique that carries movement from one scene into the next. So in order to do the match on action effect, you first have to begin by shooting a few different variations of the same movement in different scenes. So let's say we're shooting a dance video, for example. The dancer is going to do the same choreography in 3 or 4 different locations, and you, the camera operator, you are responsible for filming this action in the exact same way through each different scene. So if you have your camera mounted to the tripod on the first shot, then mount your camera to the second shot, the third shot, and the fourth shot, and etc, etc. The same thing applies for if you're doing camera movement. If you're pushing forward, then push forward in the other shots. If you're pulling back, make sure to pull back. Make sure the camera movement in all of these shots is identical, and also make sure you shoot at the same focal length. So if you're shooting in 24mm, you have a nice wide shot of this action, then shoot 24mm, a nice wide shot in all 4 of your takes. Now once you've got all of these shots, you need to throw this into your video editor of choice, and you just need to time these up perfectly, so you have to sync them up in the edit on each different video track, and every time you cut one of these videos, the action will be carried from one shot into the next. So if your dancer pulls their arm over to the right, if you cut into a next shot halfway through that action, the action should carry on from this first shot into the second shot. Match on action cutting is a really awesome video editing technique that can really help to add a lot of character to your videos. So the next time you're shooting a video, a music video, a dance video, whatever it is, consider shooting the same action in different locations and see if you can use match on action video editing techniques to take your work to the next level. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking this, and also don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this box just down here. See you in the next video.